All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna react to funny random TikToks from my For You page. Let's get it going. And this is some dog squirrel thing that I'm babysitting. Say hi. Okay, let's go.
Oh, hold on, let me put the bread back out.
Oh.
Deontay, why the fuck would you do that? Why would you do that, Deontay? I'm taking your motherfucking ass home.
What?
You out of line.
Bro, oh my god. So, dude, I totally thought Deontay was like a little kid or something. Like, that name is sending me. Who names their dog Deontay? Look at that dog's face.
I'm taking your motherfucking ass home. You out of line.
Boy, you gotta calm down, girl. Okay. Mom, are you stupid or something me? Okay, next one. Oh my god. Cats do not have fear. They will beat anybody up. Okay.
Should I get Paris? Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog?
No. That cat understood the assignment. That was okay. That was funny. That was cool. Now this is a reaction to that cat.
Should
video.
I get a dog?
Your cat is like, oh, no. We're not getting a dog. Don't even think about it, girl.
You could have just commented this. Leave her alone. Leave that poor lady alone. Okay.
Okay, it was unnecessary to make that video, but it was just for fun. I was just having fun, that's it. Like, it was just for fun.
She was just having fun. Leave her alone. This poor little girl. She was just trying to have fun. Not TikTok commenting.
Oh my god. The actual TikTok account comment on my video. I'm surprised, like, so they even saw my video. I know, like, it was not my intention to, like, go viral. It was just a video. It was just for fun, but the actual TikTok account saw it. Thank you for coming, like, I don't know.
Next one.
Stop being a little bitch, you're right there. You looked at me.
No.
Oh my god, I hate myself.
No way. Dude, that's scary. You gotta run away. Okay, that was cute. Oh, adorable. Oh my gosh, so she just brings things? No way. Okay, that was cool. This cat just brings random crap. That's crazy, dude. Out of all the animals, I want to be a cat for my afterlife. Whoa. Clever. Whoa, dude, that dog has a lot of trust for that owner. A+. What? Almost dolphins. Dude, dolphins can do the craziest things. Dolphins are amazing. How do they teach them how to do that? That's insane to me. Oh. Whoa! What? It's almost as if like he's done that before. Who just catches a deer like that? I've never seen that in my life. Mad respect.
Oh my gosh, Phoenix, seriously? Oh, and the dogs are home. Okay, thanks. Holy cow.
Smart turtle. Aww, so cute. Oh. I did not know pigs were rude. That is the cutest sweater though, not gonna lie.
Deontay!
I like that. Okay, I can watch that all day. That was so calming. I feel so calm. Next. Oh, ooh.
Ghê. Hắn càng không.
Okay, not gonna lie, I have never seen that before. I know people in France eat snails, but this dude eats them like chips. That salsa looks mad good. The way he just slimed it out of the shell, but hey, I respect the culture. Thanks for watching. Bye.